Picture this. A few years ago, I woke up each morning with aching knees and elbows. I tried to ignore it, but the pain persisted. It was like a constant reminder, whispering in my ear, "You're not as young as you used to be." The gym was my sanctuary, but the usual workouts began to feel like a punishment. I was desperate for a solution, and that's when I discovered the magic of low-impact exercises. Now fast forward to today, the pain is gone and I found a new love for fitness. You see, it's not about pushing your body to the limits, it's about finding the right balance. And that's what I'm here to share with you today. Our first stop is low-impact dancing. Imagine grooving to the beats of your favorite tunes while giving your body a full workout. The beauty of dancing is that it can be as gentle or as intense as you want it to be. If you're a beginner, start with simple steps and gradually increase the intensity. For the fitness pros out there, incorporate more complex moves and longer routines. Next on the list is walking the treadmill. Now, treadmills may seem mundane, but they are a godsend for those with joint issues. Start with a comfortable pace and remember, it's not a race. As your fitness level improves, increase the speed or the incline to keep challenging yourself. Water aerobics is another fantastic low-impact exercise. The water's buoyancy supports your body, reducing the strain on your joints. Beginners can start with basic movements like leg kicks and arm swirls. For those more advanced, try adding resistance bands or water weights to your routine. Lastly, we have cycling. Whether it's a stationary bike or exploring the great outdoors, cycling is a great way to improve cardiovascular fitness without putting too much stress on your joints. Beginners can start with a slow pace and short distances. As your endurance builds, gradually increase your speed and distance. Now let's summarize. Low-impact dancing is all about moving to the rhythm while keeping the stress on your joints low. Walking the treadmill provides a controlled environment for you to gradually increase your fitness level. Water aerobics leverages the buoyancy of water to reduce strain on your joints, and cycling offers a joint-friendly way to improve your cardiovascular health. Remember, fitness is not a one-size-fits-all journey. It's about finding what works for you and listening to your body. So if you, like me, have struggled with joint issues, I hope these low-impact exercises help you find the joy in fitness again. Until next time, keep moving, keep grooving, and most importantly, keep smiling.